Hapo hapo.
Tayari.
1, 2, 3. Thank you, Honourable Minister.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone. So today was clearly a momentous milestone for us in Vodacom Tanzania's rich history. We're truly excited to launch the trading of shares on the Dar es Salaam Stock Exchange, following what has been a very, very tough and lengthy process. But it's a really, really exciting time for Vodacom. I think that this is marking the new phase of Vodacom Tanzania in its journey in Tanzania. We've been in the country for 17 years, but there's a lot of fantastic opportunity still to come and a lot of growth that we expect in the Tanzanian market. We're going to continue to invest, we're going to continue to bridge that digital divide, make sure that every Tanzanian is connected to the internet, use M-Pesa to drive a cashless society. We're going to make sure that we support our tech superstars, our entrepreneurs in the market, work with government, work with businesses to make sure they're connected. And I think the future is very bright in terms of what we want to achieve and what we can now go out there and achieve. Through the IPO, we raised the full amount of 476 billion shillings. That money comes into the company, and it will now allow us to continue our investments, accelerating our investments, and look for opportunities that will help Vodacom to grow faster and bring better returns for our shareholders. So as the management team today, we're very excited and we're looking forward to this next phase of our journey. With the money, we have to still go through board processes and talk to our board of directors about what we will do with the money. But of course, we're looking at all investment opportunities that will yield strong returns for our shareholders. We believe that there are programs in terms of deploying more technology, going into rural coverage, but really focusing on broadband technology. We are in a digital era. And it's our job to make sure that Tanzania remains competitive, not only in the region, but globally. And we believe that connectivity is one of those key drivers. So we will continue to invest in our 3G, 4G network. We will continue to use fiber and build fiber across the country so that there are better quality connections. We will continue to invest in M-Pesa. We believe M-Pesa is a big growth area for us, and it's transformational to the economy. So we will look for all opportunities. Similarly, we will look at seeing whether there are opportunities to acquire other companies in the market to help to bring some better market structure in place. Today there are 8 operators. We know that a perfect operating market has 3 to 4 operators, so we will continue to explore those opportunities, subject to there being the right price from those shareholders and subject to being able to create real value for all of the Vodacom Tanzania shareholders.
Mimi ni Jacquiline Materu, ni mkuu wa kitengo cha Uhusiano na Mawasiliano Vodacom Tanzania. Siku ya leo Vodacom Tanzania tumeanza kuuza hisa zetu. Officially tumelist katika soko la mitaji la DSE, Dar es Salaam Stock Exchange. Kwa hiyo inamaanisha kwamba kwa mtu yote ambaye alinunua katika soko la awali IPO, alinunua hisa zetu kwenye soko la awali IPO, sasa hivi ana uwezo wa kuuza, na kwa mtu ambaye hakuweza kununua kipindi kile, sasa hivi anaweza kanunua. Na kama alivyosema mkurugenzi wetu mkuu kwamba hela hizo ambazo tumezipata, mtaji huo ambao tumeupata, tunaangalia opportunities mbalimbali, tunaangalia fursa mbalimbali, ikiwemo kuendelea kuboresha M-Pesa, huduma yetu kubwa kabisa, kuendelea kupeleka internet data katika maeneo mbalimbali, na pia kikubwa zaidi ambacho wamekitaja hapa ni kwamba tutaendelea kuangalia makampuni mengine madogo ambayo hayaoperate. Tunajua kwamba Tanzania tuna makampuni takriban 8, lakini yanafanya kazi ni kama 3-4 hivi. Kwa hiyo kuyakwaya hayo na ili kuboresha huduma zetu ili tufanye huduma zenye tija zaidi. Kwa ndio lengo kuu la mtaji huu ambao tutapata. Lakini vitu vyote ambavyo tutafanya kupitia mtaji huu lazima vipitie bodi, kupata approval ya bodi ndipo tutafanya. Kwa hiyo haya ni mapendekezo tu ya jinsi tutakavyotumia pesa hizo za mtaji, lakini approval ya mwisho zimetoka kwenye bodi.